In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to create broadcast group in WhatsApp. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing is that you simply need to log into your WhatsApp account. Once you're there, you simply click on this three dot up here. After that, you're going to see new broadcast. You click on it. Okay guys, after that, you simply need to choose the various contact in which you want to create the podcast group. So I'm going to choose Blink and OK. After that, you click on what? Done. Once you're done choosing the various contacts. So guys, after creating your broadcast group, you can, if you want to like change the name of the group, you simply click on this three dot again, or let's say click on the profile. After that, you are going to see, after that you click on this three dot. After that, you're going to see change broadcast list name. So guys, from there now you can now change the name. How to, let's say how to WhatsApp, something of that nature. Yeah, once you're done with that, you click on what? Okay. So guys, that's actually the way you create your podcast group. Now if you send a message, it's going to, if you send a message like hello, this same message will be sent to all the various contacts on this podcast group. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.